Hello and welcome to Andy's Cornish Creations. In this video I've been asked to give the dimensions for one of these trees that I make. So here we are. This is the template that I use, and on here you can see the dimension of the base of the tree is 2¼ inches. That's the diameter of the base, and the diameter of the trunk there is 1.5 inches, which is 40 mil. The base was 56 mil. The lowest branch, the diameter is 2½ inches, which is 64 mil. And then up at the top of the tree, the diameter of the ball is 3/8 of an inch, which is 10 mil. And all the other branches go in a line between those two. The height of the base is 3/4 of an inch. The height of the trunk is 1 inch. The first branch is 7/8 of an inch. The second branch is 13/16. The next branch 11/16. The next is 9/16. The next is 7/16. And the ball at the top 3/8. The height of these things in millimeters is the base height is 18 mil, the trunk 25, the first branch 22, then 20, 18, then 15, then 12, and then the ball at the top 10 mil. The overall height of the tree is 5¼ inches approximately, and or 140 millimeters. I hope this helps. And here's the finished tree. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.